Here I've got REALME C11, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and now click on Version. Here you will notice build number, so just hit it 7 times. And as you can see, now we are a developer. So let's go back, and now you can locate developer options and additional settings. And they are right here, so simply click on it, and there you can use all the features and tools that are prepared here. So for example, if you would like to force desktop mode, just mark it here, and now it is active. Then if you would like to switch it off, just click here again, and now it is deactivated. You can also mark, for example, show view updates, just like that, and you can use your device in this mode, or you can turn it off by tapping on the same switcher. And this is it. This is how you can activate and use developer options, and then whenever you'd like to close them, just click here to turn off developer mode, and that's it. As you can see, they disappeared. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.